so glad you're here. You've carved out this small window in the middle of your day, and that matters. This is your lunch break reset. A few quiet minutes to set down everything you've been carrying and let your nervous system breathe. You don't need to solve anything right now. You don't need to prepare for what comes next. For the next few minutes, there is nothing to do and nowhere to be. Find a comfortable position wherever you are. You might be lying on a couch, a yoga mat, or even reclined in your chair. Let your hands rest open and easy. Allow your legs to release and fall naturally apart. Close your eyes or let your gaze soften downward. Make any final adjustments now, and then let your body go still. Before we move through the body, we'll plant a sankalpa, a quiet, heartfelt intention, a seed of resolve. This is a short, positive statement placed into the fertile ground of your relaxed awareness. You might already have one, or you can borrow this offering. My return to myself, renewed and whole. Repeat your sankalpa silently in your mind 3 times with sincerity and trust. Now we'll move through the body together. Simply follow the awareness wherever it's guided. Become aware of the top of your head, your forehead smooth and still. Both eyes resting quietly beneath the lids. Your cheeks soft and releasing. Your jaw heavy and loose. Your lips parting slightly, all effort gone. Sense your throat open and easy. Both shoulders together, melting down and away from your ears. Both arms at once, heavy and warm, resting at your sides. Both hands together, palms soft, fingers gently uncurling. Notice your chest rising and falling with each breath. Your belly soft and unguarded. Your hips heavy and grounded, sinking into the surface beneath you. Both legs together now, long and warm, fully supported. Both feet at once, releasing, grounded, at rest. And now sense your whole body at once, from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. One unified field of awareness, present, still, complete. Before we return, bring your sankalpa back to mind one more time. Repeat it silently, sealing this intention in your deepest awareness. Begin to sense the edges of your body again. Notice where you meet the air, where your weight meets the surface holding you. You are here, grounded, restored. Let your breath deepen just slightly. Begin to wake your fingers and toes with tiny, gentle movements. A soft flutter of life returning. Take a moment to thank yourself for giving this gift to your body and mind today. You stepped away, and in doing so, you return more fully. May the rest of your day feel lighter for this pause. Thank you for joining me. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and ease yourself back into your afternoon. Take your time. There is no